Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you the use of PDURATION function to manage the personal and corporate finances for careful planning. Many individuals and businesses try to save a certain amount of money, whether as a part of an individual retirement account or perhaps a building fund. Once you determine how much you can set aside, you can use Excel's PDURATION function to see how long it will take you to reach your goal. This workbook describes a fairly straightforward investment. The idea is that I have been offered an annual interest rate of 5% compounded monthly. So in other words, there will be 12 interest periods per year. I can afford to invest $30,000 and I want to know how long it will take to get to $40,000, assuming that I make no other payments and interest accumulates monthly. To determine how many periods it will take, I need to use the PDURATION function. So I'll click in cell C8, type an equal sign, and then type PDURATION, left parenthesis, and then I will enter the first argument, that is an annual interest rate. And since this is an annual interest rate, I will need to divide it by the number of periods per year, which is in cell C4. Next is the present value, that is in cell C5. And unlike many other functions, this is a positive number, so cash inflow or outflow from our account doesn't matter. It would normally be a negative number, but here it's positive. Then a comma and future value, right parenthesis, and hit enter. And we can see that it will take 70 months, rounding up from 69.18. So in other words, just short of 6 years, which would be 70 months. So as you can see, if we make no further contributions to this investment, it will take a while to go from $30,000 to $40,000 based on the interest alone. But we can get there. Thanks.